Did you know that the Leaning Tower of Pisa was never intended to lean? It's a fascinating truth about this architectural marvel. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, an emblematic symbol of Italy, was initially designed to stand upright. Yet it's this unintended tilt that has captivated millions, making it a global sensation. This iconic Italian landmark, recognized across the world, was never meant to lean, but sometimes the best things in life are the unexpected ones. Unintended as it may have been, the lean is what gives the tower its unique charm. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, an architectural marvel, has a fascinating history that goes back to the 12th century. This iconic structure, though famous for its tilt, wasn't originally designed this way. The leaning attribute, in fact, was an unintended outcome of its initial construction, which makes the story all the more intriguing. The construction of the tower began in the year of 1173, led by architect Bonanno Pisano. The plan was ambitious and grand, aiming to build a freestanding bell tower for the Cathedral of Pisa. However, it was not long before the builders encountered their first hiccup. After completing the third tier, they noticed a slight tilt. The culprit was the soft, unstable foundation on which the tower was being erected, coupled with the heavy weight of the used marble. Construction was halted for nearly a century, a pause induced by the distractions of wars and battles. This pause, though unintended, actually allowed the soil to settle and compact, preventing the tower from toppling over prematurely. When the work finally resumed, the architects tried to correct the lean by constructing the upper floors with one side taller than the other. This made the tower look curved, but it was a clever workaround that helped to counterbalance the tilt. Over the centuries, numerous attempts were made to correct the lean and to stabilize the tower. From the addition of supporting structures, soil extraction techniques, to even removing and replacing bells in the tower, the efforts to preserve the tower were as relentless as they were innovative. Despite these challenges, the tower persisted, standing tall and leaning, a perfect blend of human aspiration and the indomitable forces of nature. The tower's infamous lean, initially an engineering oversight, has turned into its most defining feature, attracting millions of visitors each year. Now you know the Leaning Tower of Pisa is not just a beautiful structure, it's a testament to centuries of architectural challenges and solutions. Fast forward to the 21st century, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is more than just a tilted tower. It stands as a testament to human engineering, history, and a dash of audacity. After years of restoration work, the Leaning Tower has been stabilized, ensuring that it won't be doing any more leaning for at least a few centuries. Today, it is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the world. Imagine climbing the 294 spiraling steps, each one steeped in history. As you ascend, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the whispers of all those who have traversed these steps before you. When you reach the top, the reward is a breathtaking panorama of Pisa, a view that has been admired and coveted for centuries. But the tower doesn't stand in isolation. It's nestled in Pisa's Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles, a name that truly does it justice. This square is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and houses a beautiful cathedral and baptistery, each as awe-inspiring as the tower itself. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is more than just a feat of architectural audacity. It's a slice of history, a symbol of human persistence, and a beacon for millions of tourists who come seeking its charm and marvel. So, if you ever get a chance, do not miss the opportunity to witness this architectural marvel and the remarkable history it carries with it. So, what have we learned about the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Well, we've discovered that the tower's unexpected lean isn't just a quirky design feature, but an unintentional result of the marshy subsoil it was built upon. And despite early concerns, this lean has become the tower's defining characteristic, making it one of the most recognizable structures in the world. We've journeyed through the tower's historical saga, from its inception in the 12th century to the various attempts to correct its lean. We've seen how it has weathered wars, natural disasters, and the test of time to become a symbol of resilience. Today, the Leaning Tower of Pisa stands not just as a testament to medieval engineering, but also as a popular tourist attraction. It draws in millions each year who come to marvel at its unique lean and rich historical tapestry. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, a symbol of resilience and architectural brilliance, continues to captivate millions with its unique lean and rich historical tapestry.